Are we recording? I'm super excited because now that I have some hair, I'm trying to let my hair grow out. Yeah, that's a zoom. Hey, I'm recording. Hello. I'm recording.
Oh, I didn't know. My fault. I thought you was talking.
Okay, bye-bye.
My fault. Is that a wig? Oh, dang. You got a wig on?
I'm recording. My gosh, it's so hard to get good help in this town. Anyway, we're recording, right? So I've decided to grow my hair out. It's shrunk, so you can't really tell how long it is, but it's growing, you know. So I decided to holler at my girl, Kanisha, from Urbanbella, and I said, I'm gonna actually get some product now because the package just came in the mail today. Kanisha, I gotta say, you wrap this stuff up so tight, I don't think the Pentagon can get into it. She sent me a little greeting. I hope things are going well for you and your loved ones. I'm so excited that you decided to invest in yourself by purchasing Urbanbella beauty products. I've included some samples from our collection as well. Enjoy. How nice is that? Okay, girl, the packaging. So I wanted to try her, look at that, Charles. Her moisturizing package. So this is for people who are first timers like myself. Thank you, Kanisha. So here, this is what it all looks like. And it wasn't bad. Like all this stuff was like $100. Because you know, even though she's my friend, I don't expect to not pay. So I will pay. Because that's what you do. That's how you support each other. You pay. Beautiful. Super duper excited. I really do just love this packaging. I mean, she's dead on with the branding. Oh, show. Thanks, Kanisha. Full report. Film at 11. I'm going to actually wash my hair. I'm not going to do it tonight because I'm tired. I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow. And I'm going to show y'all product demo. So excited. I have hair. That's a wrap, Charles. All right, let's get this party started. I'm gonna make it quick. We're gonna wash, condition, and moisturize. So now I'm gonna go jump in the shower. I'm going to wash my hair using this Urbanbella non-lather cleanser. So I am back. Got out the shower. I still actually have the shampoo in my hair. It smells so good. It really is no lather, but it feels like lotion for your hair. And it's got like a minty element, and it's got like hints of vanilla. Oh, it smells so good. Like, Kanisha, product alert. You should make a bubble bath or something along those lines with the same flavors. So tranquil. So anyway, I'm gonna rinse this off. I'm using like that much shampoo because, let's face it, I don't have a lot of hair. So that's why I'm choosing that amount. Oh, it feels much more zingier once those pores are open. I think that's what actually helps with growth. So that feels super duper tingly. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go and put the conditioner in, but my hair feels my scalp feels nice and tingly. This guy right here, hydrating conditioner. That's happened next. I'll give you my review on the conditioner. All right, kind of the same deal goes. I'm using like that much conditioner. I'm just gonna, ooh, God, these fragrances are amazing. It smells like, I want to eat it. And this feels really good on my hair. So I'm gonna let this sit for maybe 2 minutes. And then, all right, so it is time to rinse my hair. All right, so now I am using the hydrating moisture. Let's get that focused. Hello. Number 23, which means it took 23 tries to get it right. I ain't mad. So I'm gonna put a fairly generous amount of that. According to the instructions, a little goes a long way, and you can apply it to wet or dry hair. I'm just rubbing this moisturizer in and just penetrating my scalp because I need moisture back in. And of course, we gotta touch those baby hairs because we can't be looking crazy in these streets. You know how it goes. And boom, done.